In some sense, animals speak their own language by their behavior. Animals tell their story by moving their key points, and we can say their key points are telling the story and they have their own language.
So in our recent work, what we've done is to show a new method which we call SuperAnimal, which allows us to build the first foundation models for animal pose estimation. This, of course, has wide-ranging implications from neuroscience to veterinary medicine to sports tech and, of course, pet tech.
There is already one foundation model out there and everyone's using it, which is ChatGPT. And we are trying to do the same for animal behavior analysis. In practice, depending on where you come from, people assign different vocabulary to their to animal key points. So what we did in this work is that we built a unifying vocabulary for across many species.
SuperAnimal is an AI algorithm that allows us to combine data sets from different types of animals that might be labeled in different ways in order to combine them into one super artificial neural network. This network then can be deployed on either your cell phone or a computer to allow you to track markers on animals. So if you imagine wanting to track the paws of a dog or a cat, or the eyes of an elephant, or even a zebra on the safari, this can be done fully digitally without actually doing anything invasive on these animals. So the big question is, of course, is, well, what do you do with these dots on these videos, right? Well, these dots allow us to think a lot about motion and behavior. So let's think about in a clinical setting where you want to understand if an animal is recovering from injury, how well they're fastly progressing. You can do this through gait analysis. These marker points actually allow us to do this really efficiently and, again, non-invasively.
And our vision is that we can continuously improve this model over time once we build this community where people share their data and we can share back a more powerful model.
So this work we're really focused on animals like quadrupeds and laboratory mice, but humans of course are also animals, and so there are big scale data sets that allow us to train in a very similar way with this SuperAnimal method that can be translated to the human clinic. For sports training is a really big point, so pose estimation in general is used for things like football or baseball in the States. Also for equestrian sports this is very exciting because you can track not only the rider but also the horse and look at the animal rider dynamics and also look at improvements of the animal as it's learning for things like the Olympics and other competitive sports.